by popular request, I was asked to go over the if statement and nested if statement and some of the workings of it. For example, in your tic-tac-toe program, you might nest your if statements. So here we have a program that has a single character input called code. Why did I pick the word code? I thought it was cool. And I asked the user, enter code A, B, or C only. Okay. And then I go to the console, read key, and I ask read key, just grab a key, whatever it is, and give it to me. So that means when the person hits the letter A, a space, an enter key, a question mark, it'll just give me that key code or number. And then, line 17, I will go to the console, use write line. Notice I have a /n. That means skip a line. Tell the person that they entered whatever code I got from the keyboard. Then I ask a quick question. Was it A? If it was A, I'll do A stuff. Now notice in this line, there's only one line of code, but there could be many lines of code in here to do many things. This is sort of a template, a holder. Next, if it wasn't A, regardless, after A, I go to line 24. I'll ask, was it B? If it was B, then I will go here next. If it was not B, I will skip all the way to line 29 and ask, was it C? If it was C, if that's true, I will come down here and execute this code. If this is false, I will skip to line 34, and I'm asking a very complex question here. I'm asking, wasn't it A, and was it not B, and was it not C? In other words, if somebody did not enter an A, and they did not enter a B, and they did not enter a C, I'm going to let them know that is an error. And if I hit Control F5, I wait for this thing to compile. Here we are. Line 14 said enter code A, B, or C. Line 15. Line 15 is now waiting for me to strike the keyboard. So if I hit the Shift key, and let's say I hit the letter S, it said you entered S, and it wasn't A, it was not B, it was not C, and since it wasn't A, and it wasn't B, and it wasn't C, is true. These are all true. Because it wasn't A, and it wasn't B, and it wasn't C, I say code input error. If I run the program again, I press Control F5, and now I'll enter A. Right away, enter A stuff. I can run the program again. Very exciting. B. Whoa, I hit some strange key there. Looks like I hit an alien by accident. I thought I was hitting B. Try that again. There, I hit the letter B, and it entered B. Now, there's something we have to watch out for, and that is, suppose I want this code to execute really fast. So do I really want it to ask, was it A, was it B, was it C, and was it none of the above? Do I really want to do that? Ask the question over and over again. For example, let's suppose I did enter A. Ah, it's A, process A. Now I'm going to say, oh, was it B? Oh, was it C? Was it none of the above? Heck, we know it was A. But yet I'm wasting time asking if it was B, C, or none of the above. If I link these together with a very interesting word, else. Else. And this last one, I don't have to check. So let's take a look. If it was A, I will come here and I'm done. I just go all the way to line 37. Suppose no, it was not A. I will jump to this else clause and I will ask the question, was it B? If it was B, I will go to line 26. After line 26, I'm not going to ask any other questions. I'm going to go right to 38, the end. Well, what if they entered C? So wasn't B A, it was not B, else was it C? If it was C, I will come here and then leave if I'm done. But what if somebody entered something weird? It's not A. All right, skip, go to B. Oh, it wasn't B, skip, go to C. It wasn't C, there's no choice left. I don't have to ask, was it a mistake? It's obviously a mistake. One other sidebar is, let's suppose this is a real customer system and the most popular code is C. Why wait till the last question, kind of, to say it was C? Why not switch A and C so that the most popular question is the first thing you ask? That is the most frequent. So now, if more customers type in C for cash or credit card, bank card, I don't know what A stands for, but they enter in C, you'll find out, it was C, done. It was C, I'm done. C, done. C, done, done, done. If it was B, no, it wasn't C, check B. B, done. B. So it's C, and then check B, then check A, and when all else fails, it's an error. This is something to consider when kicking this stuff around. I hope you enjoyed that exciting episode.